Hey, welcome back to cooking demonstration. I'm so glad that you're tuning in. Appreciate it. My name is Sam. Today we're going to be doing some red curry beef. All right. I got chicken stock working right here. What it is just any chicken scrap that you have, or a piece of chicken bone to make a little bit of fat. That makes great stock. All right. I'm gonna season with a little bit of lime leaf right here. Okay. Add a little fish sauce. Of course, you can't do the Thai cooking without fish sauce. All right. I got my wok working here. You don't want to do too hot to do curry. You don't want to burn it. Okay. So real light. Add a little bit of oil. Red curry here. Okay. This curry here, I tell you what, is very popular. Red curry. You can pick this up any Asian market, any Asian store. Okay. Mix up a little bit. Add a little coconut milk. Let's simmer a little bit down to real consistent. Yeah. This might feed about 2, okay? As you see here, I already got a lot of vegetable already cut. I'm going to add a little garlic. I like garlic. Again, the curry's already got a lot of seasoning in there, for include garlic and all that. I add a little more here on top of that, okay? As you see, the coconut milk and the curry mix up real good. Add a little more fish sauce in here. My beef in there. Okay, a little more. A little tiny bit of oil. Best oil I use. Alright. Again, cooking should be fun, you know. I know you got a lot of vegetable here. Again, you can use any vegetable you like for this dish. Now I'm going to add some vegetable. Bamboo shoot. Some bell pepper. Red pepper. Carrots. This is where your stock come in to help you with softening the vegetable up a little bit. Thai cooking is fun. You know, keep it fun. The way to keep it fun is make the way you want to make. Okay. Yeah. The basic thing is here. My accomplishment is this. I want to show everybody and let everybody know Thai cooking is not that difficult. Okay, it's good, a lot of flavor. Again, you know, I want people to come out go to your restaurant, like one Taiwan, and try this out. Just because you don't know about the food, it doesn't mean that you might not like it. Okay, come on out and try it, and you get a variety of different food out there, different culture, different flavor. Again, I just want to. This is part of the show that I just want to introduce everybody to Thai cooking, Thai food, what it's all about. Okay, it's not as difficult, it's not as hard as everybody might think. And spice level wise, you can make it spice you like or as mild you like. Okay. I mean, I can smell it already. Can you guys smell it? Let me turn this up a little bit. And last but not least, I got some fresh basil here, Thai basil. All right. Just the leaf part, I'm going to put in there. Add a little more fish sauce. I got pineapple to sweeten this thing up just a little bit. Man, that looks good already. I tell you, it's ready to go. Well, thank you for tuning in. Appreciate it. We'll see you again soon. And we just pour this on top of the rice.